हेलो, अभी हम लोग वसूली बीबीक्यू में हैं, तो वी आर गोइंग टू लुक आउट फॉर दिस स्टॉल कि यहाँ पे क्या है। मेरे साथ सर हैं जो ये सब चीज़ें प्रिपेयर करवाते हैं। सर, क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ?
बिलाल। यस।
तो सर, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपने इसका नाम वसूली बीबीक्यू क्यों दिया है?
Actually, people are always looking for a taste, a value for their money. So I decided a barbecue, you get a full value of your money. And I have a tagline also.
Things what they are preparing over there. Okay, so it's very beautiful and
I decided to have a limited menu and to give you a good quality for a food lovers. Yes, quality always matter for me.
Obviously, जैसे कि सर ने बोला कि क्वालिटी मैटर करती है, क्वांटिटी डजंट मैटर एट ऑल, सो क्वालिटी मैटर्स अ लॉट. So this is what the tag.
Already have a taste. Your team
I have my whole team has taken the taste of it and it was fabulous. It was super delicious, guys. You can come and have the taste of this. Sir, I just want to know कि अगर लोगों को आपसे कांटेक्ट करना है तो वो आपसे कैसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
Cloud Kitchen. So I have a visiting card. I have an Insta page also. This is my card.
He's having a visiting card as well as Insta page.
I'm planning to host barbecue parties, private parties. Yes.
You're planning to.
Yes. My main focus is private parties and delivery kitchens.
So you deliver in kitchens?
Yes, yes.
So it's a very nice thing what he is doing. He's delivering directly the material into the kitchens as well as he is hosting the parties also. So this is very nice of you.
I can do live barbecues actually. I prefer to do live barbecues.
That's very nice, so sweet of you, and it's delicious dishes you are preparing. Many congratulations to you for this, and we hope that you will be getting a great success.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much. So this is all about the taste की वसूली. अगर आप भी टेस्ट की वसूली करना चाहते हैं तो please come over here, come over the stall of Mr. Bilal and you can have a taste of this. So this is all about taste की वसूली. Thank you so much. So today we are here at the Nilisha's kitchen. Let's talk with her and let's get to know her what all the things she are preparing on her stall.
Hi.
I just want to know कि आपने क्या-क्या prepare किया हुआ है?
We have tea time cakes, जो dry cakes होते हैं जिसमें icing की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Then we have chocolates, the famous Christmas plum cake that's eggless without alcohol, so very good for the people who don't have alcohol. Then we have jar cakes. Then we have sugar-free cake. That's for the people who have diabetes. It's very good for them. Then we have a keto cake. I'm the first one to launch a keto cake in Bhopal as an eggless. And that don't have flour. It has no sugar. It's best for the dietitians, diet people who are on diets. Then we have cakesicles. We have cookies. We have mousse shots, which you will definitely having it right now. Then we have brownies, the mud pie brownies. Cupcakes, varieties of cupcakes. We have like blue, and my most favorite one is the blueberry cheesecake.
But as she's telling that she's the one only in this overall stall जो dietitians के according, diabetic patients के according, she's preparing the cakes and the cookies. And there is a huge things you can look out in her stall. जो आप देख सकते हैं, these are the wonderful items that she is presenting, and it is as looking as sweet as you. So this is a very beautiful thing what you are looking out.
I deliver all over Bhopal actually. हाँ जी, तो कहीं भी कोने में हो आप आ सकते हो.
किसी भी कोने में आप हैं तो आप निलिशा मैम के पास जा सकते हैं to take the cakes and cookies or special any of the items you can take over.
And the good news is I do teach all these things, so आप भी master हो सकते हैं इन सब में.
You can also come over there to learn all the things what she is teaching you all. And ma'am, आप table reservation prefer करती हैं या you love the online things?
I like table reservations, definitely, yes.
She is loving the table reservation. She preferred to go in the hotel to take the food. No, she's not preferring to the online things. So this is all about Nilisha.
Thank you, Ji.
So the pleasant personality she is having, and very nice to meet you. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. हेलो ऑडियंस. सो आज हमारे साथ है सैंटा क्लॉज. मैरी क्रिसमस सैंटा. सो हम सैंटा से जानते हैं कि उनका फेवरेट फूड कौन सा है. सो सर, आपका फेवरेट फूड कौन सा है?
बिरयानी.
सैंटा को बिरयानी पसंद है. ओके, एंड व्हाट आर द रेस्टोरेंट्स जहां आप जाकर खाना पसंद करते हैं?
बॉलीवुड एंड बॉलीवुड.
हॉलीवुड बॉलीवुड रेस्टोरेंट जो एमपी नगर में है. या सो ही यूज्ड टू गो टू हॉलीवुड एंड बॉलीवुड रेस्टोरेंट फॉर ईटिंग द बिरयानी. और कौन सी फेवरेट डिश है आपकी बिरयानी के अलावा?
बाकी सारे पसंद है.
सारे पसंद है. बहुत फूड लवर है हमारे सैंटा। सो सैंटा आप ऑडियंस के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन है। सैंटा इज हैविंग अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ द फूड इन हिज हाउस। सो सर आपको स्वीट्स में क्या पसंद है?
स्वीट्स में गुलाब जामुन।
सैंटा का पसंद है गुलाब जामुन। या आई टू लव दैट। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग योर डिटेल्स एंड हमारी ऑडियंस आपसे बहुत ग्लैड होगी। Wish you all a very happy and a Merry Christmas to all the audience. Do like, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Namaskar.